Welcome everyone, welcome to Trendsignal. My name is Stuart and I'm head of coaching here at Trendsignal. Today we're going to have an update of Bitcoin. So let's have a little look. It's been over the last 6 months especially, a very hectic time with cryptos. And let's just have a quick look at Bitcoin here. And I'll just stretch it back to the start of the year. So far we've had 11 signals, mixture of buys and sells on Bitcoin. And basically on this chart, this Bitcoin chart you see here, anything with a green circle around it means buy. Anything with a red circle around it means sell. And you can see this year so far we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 signals. Now the first 10 of them were nice positive trades, plenty of pips, points to be able to be taken from those trades, or plenty of dollars in this case. And the final one we've had here, the 11th, has been a loser. And that is exactly what I want to have a look at. Never mind the 10 winners so far this year. What I want to concentrate on is that loser. And the reason is this. If we have a look at the chart, I'll just compress it down a little bit. We can see that rise up. And then, since we reached those peaks back in sort of mid-March time, we've made a series of lower highs and lower lows. And you can see that descending pattern that it's set in. Now, the interesting bit is this. Our last sell signal here hasn't progressed any further. So this was on the 10th of the 5th. It did not progress further down. And in fact, it's now changing back upwards. And this is the interesting part. The red and green lines you see on this chart, these are trend lines. And what's happening here is that downward trend that accompanied this latest sell signal is not far off changing back to green for that upward trend. So we're on a point where, and it hasn't happened yet, but we're on a point where we could be about to, instead of have this descending pattern, but have a change, basically generate our first higher low for quite a while. So this is going to be a really interesting point now. Do we change up? Will we get our sniper signal, our green sniper signal for a buy trade? It's on the verge of it. It's not quite there yet. Now, this is what we call a medium speed setting. If I just change down to a faster speed, and when I change to a faster speed, what this does is that basically it speeds everything up. It gets us into trades a day or two earlier. However, it comes with a bit more risk. And that risk is that momentum may not carry on, and it may just falter. So you can see here on the fast setting, it's actually due to change today. And you can see how this is going to be the first higher low for quite a while. So on the fast, riskier setting, it's about to change. But on that medium, steadier setting, we're not quite there yet. It's going to be interesting, and we'll know over the coming days whether this does play out or not. And you can see it's at the moment, if I were to change this to a shorter term time frame, we peaked about 10 o'clock this morning, and since then it's not really gone anywhere, and it's just started pulling backwards a little bit. So as I say, it isn't there yet. It may be just a bit of a false move up, and we may come back down, but definitely worth watching. Is this going to be the first higher low and a potential new buy signal? Thanks very much.
Want to learn how to find profitable trades like this? Register for our free trading webinar and discover the strategies that turn you into a confident trader. Prefer a more hands-on approach? Schedule a one-to-one walkthrough with a senior trader. See our software in action and get those questions answered, and take control of your trading journey.